Chatgpt, which stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It utilizes the power of deep learning and natural language processing to engage in conversational interactions with users. Trained on vast amounts of text data, Chatgpt has the ability to understand and generate human-like responses, making it a versatile tool for various tasks such as answering questions, providing information, generating text, and offering assistance in different domains. It has been designed to simulate human-like conversations and assist users in a wide range of language-based applications. Generate ideas. Chatgpt can generate ideas by leveraging its language model to provide suggestions, brainstorming prompts, or creative insights on various topics. By understanding the context and generating text based on patterns and knowledge it has learned, it can assist in idea generation. Summarize long text. With its ability to understand and process language, Chatgpt can summarize long texts or articles by extracting the main points and presenting them in a condensed form. It can help provide a concise overview of the original content. Explain complicated topics. Chatgpt can simplify and explain complex subjects in a more understandable manner. It can break down intricate concepts, provide examples, and offer clarifications to aid in comprehension. Write codes. While Chatgpt can generate basic code snippets, it is important to note that it is not specifically designed for writing complex or extensive code. It can provide simple examples or assist with basic programming tasks, but for more advanced coding needs, developers typically rely on specialized programming tools and environments. Debug codes. Debugging codes involves analyzing and identifying errors or issues in code, which requires specific expertise and debugging tools. Chatgpt is not specifically designed for debugging codes and may not have the necessary understanding of programming languages or the ability to diagnose and fix code errors. Translate text. Chatgpt can help with text translation by providing translations from one language to another. It can leverage its language processing capabilities to generate translations based on the input text and language patterns it has learned. Act as any roles. Chatgpt can simulate conversations with different roles, such as a customer support agent, a teacher, or a fictional character. However, it's important to note that it doesn't have personal experiences or emotions like a real person in those roles. Its responses are generated based on patterns it has learned from the training data. Be your writing assistant. Chatgpt can serve as a writing assistant by providing suggestions for improving grammar, structure, or content. It can help with generating ideas, offering alternative phrasing, or checking for spelling and grammar errors. It can assist in refining and enhancing written content. Paraphrase any text. Paraphrasing involves rephrasing text while maintaining the original meaning. Chatgpt can assist in paraphrasing by generating alternative phrasings, sentence structures, or word choices to help convey the same information in a different way. Generate quizzes and prepare presentations. Chatgpt can help generate quiz questions by providing prompts or examples. It can also assist in preparing presentations by providing information, suggesting key points, or offering structure and organization ideas. However, it's important to review and validate the generated content to ensure accuracy and suitability for the specific quiz or presentation needs.